Water ingress has been a huge problem for Northern Gas Networks over the past 20 years. The problem with water ingress is it causes a blockage in our pipes. If that problem isn't treated successfully, it can cause interruptions to our customers. The current method of water extraction is costly and disruptive to the members of the public. We have to dig numerous excavations in different locations, insert a camera down, find the point of water, dig a separate excavation to remove the water. We then have to repeat the process over and over again until we've removed all bodies of water from the gas pipe. The new piece of kit works by allowing us through one excavation to insert a camera into the gas pipe until we locate a body of water. This is all visually done by closed circuit TV. When we find the body of water, the new system has an internal pump which removes the water remotely, saving us massive amount of time, excavations, disruption to the customer, a huge benefit.
Northern Gas Networks want to be responsible by limiting the amount of gas that's vented. So we've developed a very innovative recirculation system that means that the gas isn't vented from the main. When we suck the water out, we actually return that gas back into the main or into the service pipe, which means that from a customer's perspective, there's no smell of gas and there's certainly no release of gas to the atmosphere.
We've been testing it by doing a number of different trials, lab trials, field trials, and also trialling it on live sites. The goal is to have a system that successfully removes the water from one excavation, and I think we've achieved that. I believe that this piece of equipment will revolutionise how we remove water from the network. When we were developing the mains water extraction kit, we've also identified that there was a strong link with water in the services. We decided to start developing a piece of equipment which allows us to remotely remove water from the service.
It's a suction pump, okay, and the suction pump runs around a plastic cylinder and it works off a vacuum. Off that cylinder is a tube, within that tube is a camera. That's passed down the ECV in the service and it draws the water once you release the valve. Now, when I come up with the idea and I did this prototype, if you like, I've got to the point where I needed some more resistance.
So what we've set about doing is taking Bob's original concept, but we've also combined it with, again, the ability to have vision and the ability to have this gas recirculation. So one thing that is difficult without CCTV is to know that you've removed the water before you remove the device from the pipe. With the CCTV, you can effectively see as you're squeegeeing or mopping the floor. So it's a really good system for knowing that the customer is only interrupted the once that you've removed the water from their property.
It's a small one-man system that we remove the problem on the first visit. That one reduces the amount of time we're at the customer's property. It's less intrusive. From a business point of view, is the man hours and the cost of getting people down there. If we can get on the one call, engineer goes to do that job and then he's away.
What we're looking to achieve is to change the way that the UK gas industry deals with water ingress. It's all around that water management process, not only for mains, but also for the services. It's really about being focused about the consumer and minimising the amount of interruption to their gas supply.
Part of the Network Innovation Allowance is we agreed to share it with other networks. The more we can get this information out there, the better it is for customer experience across the networks.